today assignment you have to complete this activity. Hello everyone, here we are with the next video of Chapter 2 Early Human Beings Part 1. Presently, we all live in nice houses with many facilities like when we open a tap, we get water and our houses have lights and fans and many more things. But have you ever thought how early human beings lived? Their life was totally different from ours. They lived in wild, the open forest. They ate fruits, nuts, berries, and roots. They had no houses to live. They used to wander or move from place to place. They were hunter gatherers. Hunters because they used to hunt animals to eat their meat or to get animal skins. And gatherers because they used to gather or collect fruits and roots. Early humans didn't have weapons as we have guns and knives today. They used stones to kill animals. They had no clothes to wear. They covered their bodies with bark of a tree or animal skins. Just because early human beings discovered so many things, we have got so many facilities today. Now we are going to discuss about their inventions in detail. The first invention was invention of tools. To get food out from ground, they used to dig it with their hand, but it was difficult to do so. Also, to hunt animals to get their meat, there was a need to invent tools. They started sharpening and polishing the stones. They also made weapons from bones and wood. We all know that house is important for each one of us as it protects us from rain, cold and wild animals. So early humans started living in caves or on trees where they had less fear of wild animals and also got protection from bad weather. Their another discovery was the discovery of fire. Early human beings didn't know how to light fire. Today, we have matchsticks or lighters and we can easily light fire. Let me narrate a small story. Once a man was rubbing two stones against each other to sharpen and make tools from it. But suddenly he noticed that while he was doing so, a spark came out and dry leaves which were on the ground caught fire. This is how they learnt how to light fire. Fire was very useful for early humans as it had many uses. They could now easily cook meat on fire and cooked meat was soft and tasty. Fire also protected them from wild animals as animals were afraid of fire. During the cold weather, fire kept them warm. Their next invention was the invention of farming. Early humans only ate meat and fruits that they got from the trees, but didn't know how to grow crops. Let's understand how they learned farming from another incident. Once a man mistakenly dropped some cereals and seeds of fruits on the wet ground. Later, he noticed that those cereals started growing. They then learned how to grow crops and now they don't have to wander in search of food. They became settled farmers. But it took them many years to learn how to grow crops in which season and in what kind of soil. From food gatherers, they became food producers. This changed their lives completely. The second part of the chapter will be in our next video.